Hi, welcome to and welcome back to the Lovelywolfe Den. I'm Nadia.
And I'm Cat.
And today we're gonna be tie-dye bleaching clothes. Yeah, we've got a bunch of clothes here today, and there's a big trend happening right now of people tie-dye bleaching, or tie-dyeing the clothes with bleach. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with my Bruno Major Tour t-shirt, because I like the back of it, but the front just has like this like circle thing. So I want to like spruce it up a little bit. What are you starting with?
Lovelywolfe shirt, because I think orange would go good with red. Because it turns into orange when you bleach it.
She knows. Yeah, so we don't have rubber bands, so we're gonna use string to like, let me. All right.
Nobody else can do this job because you got too much feeling. Tommy, stop it! Or maybe you didn't like your seal. Maybe you shot him in the back, that is. By 7 o'clock tonight, we'll be out of the country and you'll never see us again.
Okay, yeah, so we went ahead and stringed all our clothes. Catalina has a shirt and some pants. I have 3 shirts, one of Camille's shirts, and a pair of jeans. I don't think anything spectacular is gonna happen to these, but I don't really care because I tried to distress them a while ago, so they're already ruined, so it's fine. Any last thoughts?
I just wonder I don't know if it's going to do anything to this part material.
Probably not, but we shall see. Catalina, or Kat, do you want to do the first
Spray.
spray?
Okay.
My gosh. We have airplanes and work being done on a neighbor's driveway, so apologize for
Situation. This doesn't go pump when it's...
the... Careful.
Oh.
Situation. What are you trying to do? I would just go wild, Catalina. I mean, if you want, you can always uncap this, put your fingers over it, and do that if you want. But be very careful.
You're aiming the spray bottle at Camille, and I was like, whoa there.
A little rebel moment.
Yeah, but use like 2 fingers, because your hands are small. And then like throw it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There
like
you
that.
go.
Don't forget your pants.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Look at the intense focus. Yeah, go ahead. Catalina's dousing my shirt now. Which is a shirt I like a lot, but I feel like I'll like it even more when it's like this. All right. Oh,
She's
right.
flipping
it.
Flippage. Flippage. Oh, I already see it working in some places.
Oh my god, Catalina, don't use all of it.
I know. I still have
Okay. Is this all the
bleach we have?
Yes.
Is this all the bleach? Oh my god.
It takes a lot of bleach, that's all. Okay, I'm gonna...
Why is mine already? Huh.
Okay, Catalina, you should go put it in the sun. Yeah, I guess that is the best method.
Yeah. Just kind of.
Oh, we have more? Okay. I just wasn't sure. My mom just appeared with another bleach bottle that I was unaware of. But still, that was a lot.
Another blech bottle.
So I would use like a lot on your jeans. Yeah.
Oh my god.
All right.
Oh, I tried that with the jeans. I did like one half white, and it turned out like fully white. Like one side white, and then the other one just.
That's cool. Alright. Just soak. There's so much bleach in this bin. Alright. You can already see some effects happening. Put this in the sun.
And I think.
Whoa!
Oh my god! It took like 2 seconds for all this to happen. So maybe we just check on it in like half an hour.
Yeah, maybe.
Right now.
Yeah, I can imagine the longest would probably be the jeans.
Yeah. But wow, that's fast acting right there.
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah.
My
So
jeans look the same.
so I think we should wait a little bit longer. But I don't know what you guys. I don't know what color you're going for. Yeah.
I mean, I'm fine. I'm gonna leave my jeans out definitely, but like, we still have to like wash it and like dry it and stuff. So
Yeah.
I'm down to get cracking on that if you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
So these just came out of the dryer. So we're doing a little first look.
Oh my gosh.
I would like this to be the same color, but like, because I could be a set, you know.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
But we're definitely gonna have a try on bit
I want to
moment.
try on this shirt.
Okay, so we'll be back in a sec.
So. So this is my Bruno Major tour shirt. It came out really good, I think. I'm actually really happy with it.
Lovelywolfe, her shirt. The back has more logo.
Mm-hmm. The back definitely has more going on.
Has more girl. So how do you feel?
Okay. I just like the pants though.
Oh yeah, go ahead and
Yeah, she
grab.
did some leggings.
Kat did these Vans leggings, which came out really sick.
Yeah, I think so too. It makes me want to. Camille said that I should get some black sweats and like try it, and I'm super down. I also did these 2 shirts. I did my Lovelywolfe shirt as well, and this hand heart t-shirt. So just to spruce it up a little bit, you know. I'm so happy with it.
Thank you for watching another Lovelywolfe video.
Please make sure to like and subscribe if you have not already.
And comment down below what you would like the other Lovelywolfe creators to do.
And if you'd like to see more content from us, join our Patreon. The link will be in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Catch y'all later.
Bye.
What?
Hi, welcome back to Lovelywolfe. Okay, go.
Welcome to or welcome back to the Lovelywolfe. Alright, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi, welcome to or welcome back.
Wait. Hi, welcome
Two.
or welcome back to.
back. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hi, welcome to.
Oh my gosh, okay. Hi, welcome to.
Or welcome back.
Or welcome back to the Lovelywolfe Den.
Yeah. Alright.
Hi, welcome to. Or back.
Or welcome back to the.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.